Hello, good afternoon. It's about 4:30. I'm going for a sunset stroll here. Gonna go up to a waterfall here in Index called Bridal Veil. Just getting started. You can see Mount Index up there. I'm going about halfway up. Bridal Veil is actually a double waterfall. Should be fun. It's about 2 miles, 2.5 miles maybe. Beautiful warm day today. September 21st. Some flowers. You see a mountain up there. The first mile is in a heavy rainforest here. Rainforest jungle. More forest. Nice, huh? First mile is all rainforest. I don't know what those trees are. I used to call them, I forget now, it's been a while. And then the rangers told me they were something else, so not a big deal. They're pretty. All right, lots of people coming down. It's a different looking kind of creek. I think the water's still clean. You got some orange flowers up there again. Beautiful. Gonna get another drink of water just for fun. Part of the hiking experience. Beautiful. So this is looking down. I just film it. The water has a taste to it, but having a taste is not a problem. Okay, I'm going to carry on here. I'm rocking out here with Brooke Gospel. Brooke Legertwood. She's from New Zealand, but I think she's been living in California Southern California for a while. Professional musician she is. All right, having fun. I might as well keep going. The full jungle effect. It's a pile up. Rainforest. See all that moss? Hello. Just looking back. 10 after 5. Sun sets at 7 o'clock. So far it's a jungle. Thorn bushes. Do you see anything there? Oops, I pressed the video button. Oh, that's good. It's focused, so I like that. I've never seen one this color. That's pretty. Hello. Goodbye. Okay. I just put on some Carly Simon greatest hits on my Spotify app. It's awesome. Commercial free. It's like $12 a month or something. Okay, so I'm going to Bridal Veil Falls, but there's another waterfall just like less than a half mile past where I go up to Bridal Veil, so it wouldn't be very respectful if I didn't go to those waterfalls also. So that's the plan. So I think you're going to enjoy this. Look at that view. Look at that rainforest. Oh, and there's more people. Wow. Ooh, the kids. The kids. Lots of people. I've seen like 50 people coming down. Nobody going up. I have a couple headlamps for on the way down, so good times. It's kind of neat, huh? So Carly Simon sounds wonderful. Alrighty, I'm going to carry on here. That was about 30 people that just passed me. Okay, that's looking back. It's the first waterfall. This is a big wall. I think that's the second one. Bridal Veil is a double waterfall. So that's the second one. I'm going up there. Well, the second waterfall is dry. Oops. Oh well. Forgot about that. So I'm going back to Bridal Veil. I put on some different music. Carly Simon was too relaxing. I put on some Sammy Hagar. All right. Okay, so from my truck, I've walked 1.5 miles maybe. So Bridal Veil Falls is straight up, 1/2 mile. And if you go to Lake Serene, which is very popular, it's almost 3 miles from here, up. Couple 1,000-foot climb. So if you like cardio, it's a place to be. Going up. Yes, we can go closer with this camera. Well, I think that's the valley of Index. It goes into the right there. It's like an optical illusion right here. It looks like one mountain range, but it's actually you go in. You understand what I'm saying? All right. Wonderful. Okay, we're looking in toward Index, the north side of Highway 2. This is actually the first time I've realized that that's an optical illusion on that first valley. Then you go over down the road more, get to those mountains. There's a trail. Hello. So that climb wasn't too bad at all. The first 150 feet were straight up on those stairs, but I feel pretty good for a 60-year-old. So the climb must not be that bad if I'm not feeling too bad. I think I've reached pretty much all the elevations, so I can recommend this hike for you. Not too strenuous. Just take your time. Just looking back. Got a little bit more climbing here. Nothing you can't handle. Okay, I'm on a natural high. I'm listening to Sammy Hagar singing The Best of Both Worlds. Getting out of control. So that's Bridal Veil. Beautiful. Film more of that in a bit. So it's a double. And this time of year, well, let's see, we can go up to the mountains. So, magic spot here where I'm standing. Get the ultimate view. So you can walk down here, see what kind of a view I can get. So this is as far as I'm going. I don't need to go to heaven today. one false move and to the angels I go. So that's far enough for me. I don't recommend doing dangerous things. It's kind of dangerous just walking down here. You can see this way, right on the edge. That's just gorgeous today. I'm gonna go up there. Just the index wall I filmed yesterday. Looking north. Well, I was going to go swimming in there, but it's really shallow, so I'm not going to. Alright, my internet friends, is that what we are? Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the end of the video. Enjoy. Best wishes to you and yours.